Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my class, and I am going today to teach you grammar. This is the second video of grammar chapter article, chapter 4 of grammar, that is article. Last day, so far I remember, I explained you article and its two types, that is definite article and indefinite article. You must have learnt that what is definite article, what is indefinite article. As I explained you last day, that a and an, usage of a and an are indefinite article. A and an are indefinite article, where the is definite article. I had explained you on the board only, and I do remember that you must have seen that. Here you have definite article to learn today. I will explain you the definite article, the, usage of the. And you please listen carefully. You may take even pencil and your copy, and you will note and you will underline the part of the book that is very important for you all to learn all the uses where the is used, where definite article the is used. You will learn and you will use them properly whenever you speak or write. This is what here for us in the book to learn. Definite article. Definite article the is used to indicate particular or to specify particular person or particular things. Like, I saw an old man walking on the road. I saw an old man walking on the road. The old man was very hungry. You have seen here. First I spoke, I saw an old man walking on the road. An old man, an is in this sentence indefinite article. I saw any just old man. Not I am mentioning who he was. So it is not mentioned. I just told you any old man. I saw there was an old man walking on the road. The old man was very hungry. In the second sentence, I have used the old man was very hungry. Why? The second sentence, the old man tells, I am talking about the old man who was walking on the road, which I have mentioned in the first sentence, which I have talked in the first sentence. I am talking in the second sentence about that old man. So, here I am using the before old man to indicate that I am talking about the same old man. I used an before that in the first sentence. But in the second sentence, it is definite because I am sure that I am talking about that old man. It is very much clear. You must have understood how the is definite article means used to specify person or things. Let us see some uses, important uses. The definite article is used before a noun that is one of its kind. One of its kind. The article is used before a noun that is one of its kinds. Like, the Pope might visit India. The moon is very bright tonight. It is one of its kinds only. The Pope that I am talking is one. Just one. Moon. We are talking here about one single moon. So here the is used. The Pope, the moon, the sun rises in the east. The Ganga is the sacred river. Here let us see here. Before, second usage of the is here before a noun when we have already mentioned. The example that I gave you right now, before a noun when we have already mentioned in the first sentence. Like, as I gave you example, I saw an old man walking on the road. And in second sentence I told the old man was very hungry. So is here the example, a boy fell from a mango tree. Here you can see a boy fell from a mango tree. A is used before boy because I don't know. Any boy. He is any boy, uncertain boy I am talking. But a boy. He was a boy. Fell from a mango tree. You see the second sentence. The boy was taken to a nearby hospital. The boy. In the second sentence I have used the boy, not a boy was taken to a nearby hospital. A boy fell from a mango tree. The boy was taken to a nearby hospital. Here in second sentence, the indicate the same boy. I am talking about that particular boy who fell from a mango tree. The boy was taken to a nearby hospital. So here, the is used before a noun when we have already mentioned before. We have talked already earlier about that noun. When we are talking, you use the. The is used before a noun which is made definite by using qualifying phrase or clause. The is used before a noun which is made definite by using a qualifying phrase or clause. Like, the boy in the corner is my brother. Which boy? In the corner. About that boy I am talking. That's why we have used the before boy. The boy in the corner is my brother. Here you can see in the boy is phrase. And so the boy is qualifying that here. Boy only. The is qualifying or indicating or specifying here that boy. The child in red. In red means in red dress. The child in red is very cute. Here in red is the phrase. The child, I am talking the child who is in the red dress. There are many children, but I am talking about the child who is in red dress. So here before child is the use. The child in red is very cute. Like that, you can see the other uses. Before a noun which becomes definite because both the speaker and the listener are familiar with it. As for example, they are playing in the lawn. In the lawn. Even the speaker is also and listener is also just well known about the lawn. About the lawn. So before lawn is the used. Mother is in the kitchen. Here kitchen, that is not familiar to both. Here the speaker and the listener. Fifth one you see uses, the another usage of the. Before ordinals. Ordinals when you are telling first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 10th, 11th, 25th, 30th, like that, that is called ordinal number. That is called ordinal number. When you are telling 1, 2, 3, 4, then that is called cardinal number. So we are talking about ordinal number. When you tell the same thing first, second, third, fourth, that is called ordinal. When you tell 1, 2, 3, 4, that is called cardinal number. So before ordinals and superlative degrees, the is used. And even before same and before only, before same and before only, the is used. You can see, I accepted the first offer. The first offer. He got the first prize. You can see here before first, the is used. I read the same book that you read. I read the same book that you read. Mohan is the most disciplined boy in the class. The most disciplined. Most disciplined is superlative degree of discipline. So before superlative degree, the is used. June is the hottest month. June is the hottest month. Here hottest is superlative degree of hot. And so before that superlative degree, we use the. He is the most obedient child. Here most obedient is superlative degree, and before that the is used. He is the only boy. He is the only boy who is punctual. You see, before only what is used? The. He is the only boy who is punctual. So like that, before same, before only, the is used. Before superlative degree, the is used, as I gave you example. And before ordinals, that is used, as I told you, first, before that one, second, third, fourth. In that way we are using the. They are living on the fourth floor. They are living on the fourth floor. What is this fourth? Ordinal number. And that's why before fourth is the used. To represent a whole class of animals or things, the is used. Like the cow gives us milk. The cow gives us milk. The is used before cow because that he just explains about just one kind of a species of animals, whole class of animals. The camel rarely drinks water, means only once it drinks water a lot, and then there is no need. For several weeks, for several days, they remain without water. Before an adjective of quality to represent a category of people, the is used. The is used before an adjective of quality to represent a category of people. For example, the brave are admired. The brave. Brave is what here? Quality, that is describing about the person who is brave. It is describing a person who has the quality of bravery. So it is what? The brave are admired. The honest is respected. The honest people are respected. The rich should help the poor. You can see here. That is what here? It is here used before an adjective of quality. Brave is what? Adjective of quality. Rich is what? Adjective of quality. Poor is what? Adjective of quality. So in the examples I told, the brave are admired. The rich should help the poor. Before the names of seas, rivers, oceans, group of islands, deserts, ranges of mountains, gulfs, bays, poles, etc., the is used. You can read several examples. The Red Sea, the Ganga River, the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, the Gulf of Mexico. You see the usage of the North Pole, the South Pole, the Sahara Desert, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Pacific Oceans. Like that, the is used before seas, oceans, rivers, poles, deserts, group of islands, ranges of mountains, okay, gulfs, all such here to specify. Before names of countries that have the words United or Republic. The words United or Republic is here before the countries, the is used. In them or have plural names like the United States of America. The United States of America. These are the words. United or republics in them have plural names. The Philippines, the Netherlands, the Republic of Seychelles. Let us see now. Before the names of a few important books, holy books, before sacred books, some important magazines, newspapers, the is used. Like you tell the Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Hindustan Times, the Mail Today, important here newspapers, the Mail Today, the Telegraph, the Hindus, that is a newspaper. So before some important newspapers, before the holy books, sacred books, the is used. Before musical instruments that is used as an musical instrument, the is used. Like he plays the tabla. Dipti plays the flute beautifully. The flute, tabla, flute are musical instruments. Like that, before a proper noun, if it represents a particular class of people, or if it is defined by a definite clause or phrase, like Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India, the Shakespeare. It represents a particular class of people, or if it is defined by some defining clauses or phrase. Arjun is the Tendulkar. Arjun is the Tendulkar of our local cricket team. So in this way, you have learned the usage of the, that is definite articles. I explained you last day the usage of a and an, that is indefinite articles. Today I have explained you the usage of the, where the is used, so that you cannot make mistakes when you are speaking or when you are writing. So these rules are to be learned, to be practiced in our daily written and spoken, both. And next day we shall learn the omission of the articles, means where articles should not be used. Using articles are mistake and error. Where is that? We shall learn in the next video. So till then, whatever is taught, you must learn them well and use them practically every day. When you speak or write, you must remember in the rules what you learn, where the is used, where a or an is used, and where they are not used. That is also to be learned. I will explain you later. So today is this much for you, and I hope you must have understood. Learn whatever is explained today. You go through once again, learn them 2 times, 3 times, and when you have any problem, you will ask me in the next class, in your live class when you are attending. Thank you so much. Thank you very much joining the class and being with me. Thank you very much.